Hey, welcome back to part 2 of the unboxing of robots. So, yeah, I was talking about Sertoys.com. That's kind of how they come. Now, something I noticed is these ones are actually a pretty good, Transformer. And if I would have to say what kind of Transformer series lineup these ones kind of fall under in, Titan's Return. Definitely Titan's Return. I did not buy any Combined War fitters, so I don't really know. The Titans Return, as in lineup, of course, they did have some problems with some of the heads that you had to twist, and the knees, and some of the arms. But, that just fits with a little bit of some pledge for polish, and you're good to go. But, quality-wise, yeah. Titans Return, or Headmasters in Japan, as in lineup. The Power Deployments, horrible show. Horrible toy line. Like, I had like a Legends quest. No, Legends. Leader quest. A leader quest, Evo Hot Rod / Rodimus Prime. And instructions, they said, okay, take the head, that's, Rodimus Prime's head, and just turn it around so that, the other head underneath there, Hot Rod's head would be on there. So you could transform, into Hot Rod, right? Now the instructions, as I said, take it and just flip it and turn it so the other head would be on top. Yeah, the thing broke. You know what you actually gotta do? You gotta take it, push it back, turn it, and then push it forward. But in stupid freaking mother effing Hasbro instructions did not say, hey, look man, pull it back, turn it, twist it, push it, bop it, pass it, pull it, kind of like playing the Bop It game, which was, kind of like a electronic game similar to electronic Simon Says. But yeah, that's pretty much what it feels like. But the instruction just says, turn it. Like if you turn a steering wheel on a car, it does not say anything about pull it back, twist to turn, and then push forward. Does not say that. It just says, twist it. Yeah. And then the Deluxe Quest version, kind of the same thing with it. The knees will not bend, they're very stiff. It feels like you're going to snap it into, it almost feels like they left extra plastic on there, like some flash that you have to take a little hobby knife and scrape off. But there's none of that. It's completely smooth. It's that, and then we use like some of the Combined War parts. Like this hand was from a Combined War. They just cut some little slits in there, give it kind of like a shield gun that could hold a Titan's Return Headmaster or a Power Prime Fitter Master, whatever you want to call it thing. That's the only difference. But the same little fingers on both sides to make the left hand and right hand is there. So yeah, way to go. They just would use leftover Combined War parts and just slightly altered them. Whew. Yeah. And if you're wondering the size-wise of the packaging, well, here's kind of what the Legend / Warrior class would be. I know in Transformers there was one, I don't remember if it's Legends that got renamed to Warrior class or Warrior class that got renamed to Legends. They're the small little ones. I don't deal with them. I usually deal with, Deluxe fitters and once in a while Leader class fitters. But size-wise for these little guys, I mean, like the little mini fitters are about 2.5 to 3 inches. These ones are about 4 inches to maybe 5 inches, give or take, depending on what one you get. So yeah, here's the bed box. That's your instructions. So let's get it out of the box. Okay, and then let's kind of get this thing twisted around like that. Okay, now this one does feel a bit loosey-goosey, as you can see. Not really sure why, but it is a bit loosey-goosey compared to this one. And if you're saying, bro, what's the difference? Just one is blue, one is green. There is some differences. I mean, the feet, the chest, and the head, it's all the same. And the right arm is the same. But some differences is, you know, this one's got a little star there, as you probably cannot see on camera. Paint job and colors, and their left arm is a bit different. Because this one has, I don't know what it is, like a satellite slash radio communications type of dish on there, a satellite dish or a radio communication satellite thing on it. And if you're like, oh well, you know, you could just pop it off and put it on it, maybe, but this one's kind of got straight little like spotting foil on it, while this one kind of got like a little curve connection on there. But yeah, like I said, you know, this one kind of stands that way, and then this one's kind of like flopping. So probably some little floor polish, some pudge, and it'll be good to go. But we'll just move him off to the side because, you know, he's gonna flop around. But how do they stand up or stand? Let's get a couple of these guys in here. This one does stand, but it's a little hard to get him to stand sometimes. And I don't know how good you can kind of see it. But there they are. So that's kind of how big the little mini fitter would be. This is like their Deluxe Quest scale size. And compared to actual Hasbro Hardhead and Quake, you know, Deluxe Quest fitters, this is how lowest Deluxe Quest scales up. Hasbro's Deluxe Quest. So yeah, there's that. To me, it kind of looks like a tank that's maybe somewhat of the G1-ish Metatron. Slightly, you know, the way how the barrel of the gun goes. So you kind of have like this. You kind of have like the gun barrel. You can kind of flip it around like this, so it's a little more asymmetrical with the double pinchy claws. Or you can kind of have it to how they were doing it, where it's like up and over the shoulder. Which even this one feels a little loosey-goosey. So yeah. Definitely a lot of paneling on here. So, yep. Just flip up the feet. Tab them in. Okay, turn that around here. They do have like ball joints for the arms. They can move in and out. Feet, but the feet are pretty much almost like an actual Hasbro one. And then we just line this up with the tab here, which is a little hard to do on camera because you got to push it and stuff. So. Now, do note that, you know, these treads over here is a little bit smaller. These ones are bigger. These are kind of rounded. These are flat and squared off. It does kind of have like the little shovels here to like scrape across the little landmines. Kind of like, well, Transformers Metatron Armada series was the Metatron from Transformers Armada. Yeah, this one has little wheels on here, which are actually pretty tight on the bottom. They don't really want to roll. I mean, this one rolls a little bit better. Yeah, I mean, the turret does not go all the way around. Just the barrel goes up and down. That's about it. Kind of same little guns. This would be a tow hitch on an actual tank to like tow a camp, but these would be down here, so just, you know, switch around and stuff. Oh, not a bad little fitter. And let me get this one quickly transform. which for the little mini. Come on. So quickly we could kind of get a little size scale comparison in here. Maybe get that one a little bit closer. So as you can see, the mini fitter, the deluxe class times return, Hasbro deluxe class, powder primes. Yeah. Again, where did I get this at? I picked it up at the dollar store. So just go to the dollar store, that's where you get it. Remember to rate, subscribe, hit the link button, so yeah. Hit the subscribe button, the like button, leave a comment, the thumbs up button, you know, all that stuff. Alright, thanks, bye.